Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get unlimited points at Fetch Rewards. So as you can see, I got 90,000 points. So I'm going to show you how to get the Fetch Rewards like modded version so you could start getting free points. So the site we're going to visit is called zoomods.com. They have a ton of modded apps. So once you're on the site, you're going to see all these modded apps. So just type in Fetch, and as you can see, Fetch Rewards mod right there. So go ahead and press on it. Once this downloads, you will have unlimited Fetch Rewards points. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I was using it, and you saw I had like 90,000 points. So this is crazy. So let's just wait for it to download here, as you can see, and we should get free Fetch Rewards points. So it's only 34 megabytes, so it's not that big. So anyway, guys, before it downloads, we are going to have to do a verification. This is a one-time process. We just need to download some apps. So you can see right here, it says, please install 2 apps to automatically install the Fetch Rewards mod. So this is going to be some apps here, and you just press tap to install, and it will bring you to the App Store. And make sure, guys, when you're doing this process, that you read the instructions on the app. You can see that Family Island says download and complete level 10. So if you do not download and complete level 10, you're screwed. I actually did the Family Island one, kind of funny, but there's other ones, like there's this W Golf one, and I don't even know if you're going to see the same apps. They might be totally different, and that's fine. But anyway, after you do the verification, come back to this page, and down here you can see it says checking completion. So you just want to wait for it to load, and it will process that you completed the verification, and then you will get your free Fetch Rewards points. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can see 90,000 points, guys. That is crazy. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get free Fetch Rewards points, because this is super cool, guys.